Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 5, module 5 of our leadership course. This week, we're going to be looking at contingency theories of leadership. And if you look at the history of leadership research and leadership theory, originally we started out by looking for ideal leaders or looking for leaders in the population. So we thought that they were born instead of made. Then we moved to trying to figure out what was the best leadership style and figured out that sometimes it had to do with focus on the task, sometimes it had to do with focus on the people. And that kind of led us to this chapter, which is the contingency approach to leadership, which basically says the best leadership style or approach depends on specific characteristics of the situation, whether it's the task, or the people involved, or something about the situation. A leader should shift his or her leadership style to best fit that situation. So chapter 4 is describing to you a variety of different contingency theories about leadership. So question 1 and 2 for your discussion this week. Look at the difference between the outcomes of contingency leadership and continuum leadership models and that of path goal theory. So let's say that's a little bit confusing. So about what is the difference between the outcomes of the contingency leadership model and that of path goal theory? And the second question is, which theory have you used or plan to use? So again, you want to post your initial responses by Thursday so that people have time to respond to at least 2 other posts. So we already got somebody in there. Also, you want to take the quiz, and then I added, like in the earlier modules, the final paper again requires you to respond to a section from each of the chapters. So I'm adding those in to each module so that you can write the final paper as you move through the different sections. So let me know if you have any questions, and have a great week.